Amsterdam, drunk off vibe. London, England, drunk off vibe. Hit the States and we drunk off vibe. Pretty girl, broke off wine. Flex in a babe. Skirt in a rave. While y'all in my face. You don't know my name. Drop down. The whole place shut down. Hey, drop down. So much love now. Hey.
What's up, everybody? It's your girl T. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications for your girl. This is my little sister. Y'all know that I was going out of town. I'm in Indiana right now, and I was literally dying to get here to do a video with my sister. Like, I really wanted to put my sisters in my video, and I'm excited for my sister to be in my video. So this is my sister Chelsea. She's about to do my makeup because they really like roasted me today because of my makeup brush that I was using. Where's my makeup brush?
I threw it away.
It was bad. So they gave me some new makeup brushes, and my sister was like, "Can I do your makeup?" And I was like, "Yeah, please do." So she's about to do my makeup. I never had nobody do my makeup really before, and she's
I'm not a professional, so it's not gonna be all.
We're just the same professional, but she knows way more about makeup than I do. I just do the basic things. So she's about to do my makeup.
Okay, put this moisturizer on.
So this is Purity. I'm gonna do that. Okay. Oh, it does work. Purity. This is the moisturizer. I'm gonna put this on my face. Where'd you get this?
Sephora.
Sephora. How much was it?
$25.
$25. $25. Oh, Jesus. See, this is the reason why I don't do makeup, because stuff is literally so expensive, and I'm cheap. That's why I'm buying my makeup brush. So she just tried to do my eyebrows off camera, but it wasn't working out. So I'll be back. I'm gonna do my eyebrows myself off camera, and then I'm gonna have her do the rest of my face. Look at my face, you guys. I don't have any makeup on. My face is clearing up. Did my eyebrows myself off camera. Okay, so I want like a bronzy look, like a golden bronze look. Okay. What you using that for?
Eyeshadow. Because I don't know how people do eyeshadow without tea.
Really? So you do.
I mean, on myself, I can probably do it. I mean, I can do it.
You do eyeshadow first.
Yeah.
You're supposed to do your eyebrows and eyeshadow first, right?
Down, you know, if the particles get on your skin, you can just wipe it off.
That's what loose powder's for.
Oh, I don't do all that. The Warrior by Juvia's.
I don't know that brand.
It's a black-owned brand.
Oh, well, I should know that brand, but I don't know that brand.
Right?
Where'd you get that from?
Oh,
Oh,
$20. Oh my God, your eyeballs are huge. They don't even look huge, just like when your eyes is closed. They're like bulging out of
I know.
Oh, this is a Morphe M505 brush.
You're out of frame.
Oh, sorry. Morphe M505. Oh my God, I'm a YouTuber. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the color Sand. It does. I'm a professional.
You just said you weren't.
Yeah, I guess you do have a good face to make up on since your eyes are so good. NYX Epic Ink Liner. My favorite eyeliner. I'm gonna have to be like all on your face.
That's okay.
It's a good thing you didn't do our foundation first.
So now put this on your face. This is the Smashbox Original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer.
Why don't you put it on her face using the beauty blender?
Who does that?
Some people, makeup people do it.
I've never seen anyone do that. Ever.
They actually make beauty blenders for creams and primers.
Alrighty. Now we're gonna go in with the MAC.
Does that feel oily?
It feels slippery. Yeah, it does feel oily.
No, it don't.
Yes, it does.
No, it
It
doesn't.
look like the grease one.
She's not.
Feel right here.
Well, I'm sorry you're a grease slop monster, but there's nothing I can do about that. I don't know how to tell what stuff be for what. It says lightweight and oil free.
Well,
Anyways, this is the MAC Studio Fix Fluid in NC40. I feel like a real makeup artist.
no, that's not what you're supposed to do.
What?
You ain't supposed to use a beauty blender. That is too much. I don't use all that much foundation.
Well, maybe you need to.
No, I don't. That's why I don't.
My bronze. Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Rich Amber. Whoosh. Is the loose setting powder from, what's BR stand for?
Black Radiant.
Black Radiance. True complexion.
I'm gonna contour my nose.
Oh, that is the thing. Yeah. Okay.
That's the most important for me.
You do that?
I have to.
I have to.
Do you see this nose?
Look at that honker. M532 brush. Just kidding, it's Amazon. Then I'm gonna blend it with my NARS 2536 brush.
Yay!
Just kidding. It's out.
Beautiful.
I don't even think NARS makes brush.
You supposed to put some of that powder under my eyes.
Curses or don't do that.
Oh.
Okay, now I guess we'll do some highlighter.
You're not gonna do no blush or nothing?
I typically don't wear blush, but if you would like, I
What about
can
this?
use some
What's
of
this?
Chris's. That is a highlighter. I can use some of Chris's blushes.
Okay, you use this highlighter instead.
What? What's it even?
This one's got pink in it.
You asked for a bronzy look, and you're asking me to do pink highlighter.
Well, yeah.
I guess I can use both. Maybelline Master Chrome by Studio Face. Molten Gold.
Ooh.
Is it too much? Look. What's wrong with it?
No, I said ooh.
Like a good ooh?
Yeah, like ooh.
Oh. You don't put it on your nose?
I never use highlighter.
Put it right in the bridge. Like this right here. You don't have to put it on the
This
tip.
is gonna highlight that my nose is big.
No, it's not.
Oh.
Then I'm gonna spray your face with my L'Oreal Paris Lumi Shake and Glow Deluxe.
Is that matte gonna matte my face?
No.
It's gonna make my face look oily?
It's too light in here. I don't know, but I like how it sprays, so we're just gonna use it anyways.
Oh, it smells good.
Oh, what does it smell like?
Would you like me to spray your face? You want to take your glasses off?
Yeah, it do smell like perfume.
Ew. Dude.
You should spray my face.
You're
You
weird.
should spray my
Is that it?
Strawberry.
What about mascara?
Oh, can I use some of your mascara?
Is that kaleidoscope?
Telescopic.
Oh,
Kaleidoscope. Girl, you have really nice eyelash.
do I?
You said,
Okay, so this is the finished look. Let me know in the comments what you think. Styles by Chelsea.
Chelsea Layla 12 on the gram.
And, okay. Thank you all for watching. Please remember to subscribe, comment, and share the video. Thumbs up if you like it. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.